One promo code is about to save you over $180 this year on all AI tools. So stop scrolling trash memes and cat videos. What if one tool could unlock all AI tools' unlimited power and save you over $180 a year? Sounds crazy, right? It's called Merlin AI. Let me explain why it's a total game changer. Most people I know are paying for multiple subscriptions for AI tools. $20 per month for ChatGPT+, $22 or more for Claude 3.5, maybe Gemini 2. And the list goes on, adding another subscription with another AI tool. That's around $60 or more every month. And the worst part? Even after paying, you still get usage limits. Ever hit ChatGPT's 40 messages per 3 hours wall? Exactly. Then I found Merlin AI, and everything changed. Merlin gives you access to all the major AI models in one place. GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, DeepSeek R1, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash, Mistral Large, LLaMA 3.1, Grok 3, all in a single dashboard with no rate limits. Here's where it gets even better. Instead of paying for each tool separately, you just enter the promo code UNI5, and suddenly you're only paying $5 per month. That's not a gimmick. It's how smart businesses use API access. They buy it in bulk, give you access through a smooth UI, and pass the savings on. You win. But Merlin isn't just another AI chat tool. It's packed with bonus features that make it way more powerful than the apps you're used to. YouTube Summary Tool. Instantly summarize long YouTube videos so you don't have to sit through 2-hour podcasts for 30 seconds of value. AI Email Generator. Stuck writing professional emails? Just input a few keywords, and boom, perfect email, ready to go. AI Writing Assistant. Write blogs, captions, or even legal style documents. Just prompt it. It's like ChatGPT, but supercharged with extras. Google Search Assistant. It integrates with your browser, letting you generate quick answers, summaries, or even AI-powered replies on the fly while you browse. Chat. History and Cloud Sync. All your chats and prompts are saved and accessible across devices. Dark mode, fast UI, keyboard shortcuts. Everything just feels snappy and designed for speed. It's clearly made for actual productivity. I paid $60 for the entire year, and I haven't looked back. It's like having 10 tools in one, and I'm spending less than 20 cents per day. Firstly, go to Merlin AI website. Secondly, enter the promo code UNI5 at checkout. Thirdly, done. Unlock full access for just $5 per month. Pause the video to scan the QR. You get ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more without the limits. Plus, extra tools that save time and boost your workflow. This is the smartest AI deal on the internet right now. It's legit, it's simple, it works, and it's for a limited time only. Save this video so you don't forget the promo code. Try it today and thank yourself tomorrow. Oh, and hit subscribe if you want more real deal AI tools, money-saving tech hacks, and zero BS reviews.